This is what he calls the 24-hour Buddha, which means that you can pray and ask for something that will happen within the next 24 hours. So it's like microwave reaction. Instant belief and enlightenment in your life. Okay, now this is as I'm doing a walk up the stairs. Wow, there's a lot of stairs. I didn't count them. I better get used to this if I'm going to do 484 miles, right? This is just a little test from France to Spain. Okay, almost at the top. Okay, I made it to the top. Now, let's take a look at some more of this Thailand beauty. Wow, look at that. No. Some more of the Thailand beauty. See the incense that are burning here. And this is part of a different type of temple. It's actually a duplicate of another very famous temple here in Thailand.
Before to make the wall, so you can shape the knife this here.
Oh, to sharpen the knives?
Yes.
Ah. How many years ago?
About 500 years.
Wow. This was used specifically just to sharpen knives. And evidently the water itself they clean the blade with, and then use the stones to finish your sharpening effect.